Hey, what's up? You are watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro in my hands, and today we have unboxing and first review of this smartphone. As usual, later we will test performance, camera and battery, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos. Redmi Note 6 Pro is a budget smartphone from Xiaomi. We have a version with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, but also you can buy 4 and 64GB version. The price is not much different. It has Snapdragon 636 chipset and 4 cameras, dual front and dual rear. One of the main features of Redmi 6 Pro is notch design. Perhaps this is the cheapest smartphone from Xiaomi with notch. So let's start with unboxing and then talk about design, display, hardware and other things. The smartphone comes in a typical red box from Redmi series. There is model number on the front. On the side you can see global version and specification list on the back. Inside the box there is Redmi Note 6 Pro with factory films on the front and back panels. Also you can find SIM needle, silicone protective case, user manual, power adapter, and USB cable. The standard package for budget phone, but silicone case is a good bonus. As we already said, the main feature of Redmi Note 6 Pro is the notch above the display. It hides a dual front camera, earpiece and other sensors. 6.26-inch display has pretty thin bezels on sides. If we talk about back panel, it doesn't differ much from Xiaomi Mi 8 2 or even Redmi Note 5. It has the same dual vertical camera in the left upper corner and fingerprint reader in the center. We have a blue version and it looks amazing. If you don't like it, then you can choose from red, black and gold color options. Redmi Note 6 Pro has 3.5mm audio jack, AR blaster and microphone on the top, while on the bottom there is micro USB port and speaker. So Redmi Note 6 Pro looks similar to other Xiaomi phones in 2018, and only notch above the display makes it stand out from other budget devices. As for the display, Redmi Note 6 Pro has 6.26-inch diagonal with Full HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2280 pixels. There is 18:9 aspect ratio and about 81% of screen-to-body ratio. We cannot say something special about display because it is standard for budget category. IPS panel has good viewing angles and contrast. By the way, if you don't like a notch, then there is option in settings menu to hide it. Also, you can change contrast and color temperature in display settings. Redmi Note 6 Pro is a budget smartphone, so it is powered by 14nm processor Snapdragon 636. The chipset was released in 2017 and many Xiaomi phones have it. For example, Redmi Note 5 is equipped with the same processor. It is a very strange decision because we would like to see new chipset in Redmi Note 6 Pro, such as Snapdragon 710. We have a version with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal memory, but also you can buy 4 and 64GB model. The price is about $20 more expensive, so we would recommend to buy 4 and 64GB version. Anyway, there is slot for microSD. You can use memory cards up to 256GB instead of second SIM. Later, we will make detailed performance test, but now I want to show you Antutu. As you can see, Redmi Note 6 Pro has 116,000 points. Most likely the camera is the main update in Redmi Note 6 Pro. The smartphone has 12 and 5MP sensors on the back, while the front camera provides 20 and 2MP sensors. It means that you can use bokeh effect on both front and back cameras. The camera app doesn't differ from other Xiaomi phones. There is AI scene recognition, so the smartphone automatically chooses the best settings for different scenes, such as sky, buildings, water, nature, etc. Later, we will publish camera test of Redmi Note 6 Pro with photo and video samples in different light conditions. The link to this video will be in description. Another highlight of Redmi Note 6 Pro is battery. It has a capacity of 4000 mAh and it provides good battery life. You can expect about 2 days of battery life on a single charge. From other side, new Xiaomi smartphone has micro USB port and it is a shame for 2018. The charging power is only 10 watts, so the full battery charge takes about 3 hours. Once again, in coming days we will make battery test and publish special video on our channel Tech Brothers. Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro has dual grill on the bottom, but one of them is speaker, while another is microphone. The sound is average. It is loud, but not enough bass. Fortunately, there is 3.5mm audio jack, which is a big rare for 2018, especially for budget phone. Anytime you can connect your favorite headphones and listen to music. Redmi Note 6 Pro is another budget smartphone from Xiaomi in 2018. As you may know, Redmi Note 4 and Note 5 were very popular phones in past years, but we cannot say the same about Redmi Note 6 Pro. Perhaps it is because there are too many smartphones from Xiaomi in 2018, such as Redmi 6, Redmi S2, Mi A2, etc. Also, there are interesting options from Lenovo and Huawei. The main problem of Redmi Note 6 Pro is old processor and micro USB port. From other side, it has good AA cameras, big battery, high quality display, 3.5mm audio jack and micro SD support. What else do you need from budget smartphones? It is a very good device for $180. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links to performance, battery, camera test of Redmi Note 6 Pro and where to buy it cheaper. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.